In this video, I will show you how you can play YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode on any iPad without subscribing to the premium version of YouTube. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. Now on this page, you will find the option for Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. Now just make sure that this feature is enabled. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the App Store. In the App Store, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your iPad. Once this app is fully downloaded, then just go to your home screen and open YouTube. After you open YouTube, now just select the video which you want to watch in picture-in-picture mode. For example, I will select this video. Now just tap on the three dots for the video which you want to watch in picture-in-picture mode, then select Share. Now just tap on More, and from here just tap on More, and on this menu you will find the option for X-Player Picture-in-Picture. Now just select this option, and after you do that, you will be able to go to your home screen, and as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode without subscribing to the premium version of YouTube. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.